Is your multimedia or imaging software pathing failed due to the Iconv library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we get into the manual guide for Iconv library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Iconv library, an implementation of the Iconv Character Set conversion library. It allows applications to convert text between hundreds of international encodings, e.g., UTF-8 to Shift-JIS. It is a vital dependency for cross-platform software that processes multi-language data. If missing, the host application will fail to parse localized text files, leading to invalid character set errors or a failure to initialize the language engine. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error usually indicates a missing graphics runtime component affecting Iconv library DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX-related DLLs and update your graphics drivers if the file depends on OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Iconv library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Warning: Iconv library DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're addressing Iconv library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Iconv library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.